One of the questions we get here at Jensen Family Law is, what is a retainer and how does it work? So we thought it would be helpful to put together a quick video describing and explaining what a retainer is and how a retainer works. In a hypothetical situation, let's say you decide to hire one of the attorneys here at our firm, and that attorney requires a $5,000 retainer for your case. Now, this is case specific. Every client, every prospective client, the attorney is going to require a different retainer amount. The reason why the retainer is case specific is every case is different. And so when you sit down with your attorney and discuss the facts of your case with the attorney is going to make their best judgment on what they are going to require for the retainer based on those facts that you've disclosed in the case about what's going on. So what this means is your retainer could be more than this hypothetical $5,000, or it could be less than this $5,000. The attorney is going to make that best judgment case of what the retainer is going to be at the time of your consultation. But in this example, let's use a $5,000 retainer. So that $5,000 retainer gets deposited into a trust account. So your balance is $5,000. Right away, in this example, you're filing for divorce. The filing fee for divorce in Arizona is $349. So that's going to come right off the top of that $5,000, which means you have $4,651 left in your trust account after filing fees are paid. What that means is that there's $4,651 left to bill against, or for attorneys and staff to work on your case, and for additional expenses that may come up. So what that means is, let's say an attorney works 0.6 hours, which is 36 minutes on your case. So that could be various things. In this example, the attorney's billing rate is $300 an hour, which means that 36 minutes cost you $180. So from the previous example, you had $4,651 available in your trust account. That's your current balance. The attorney did some work on your case, 36 minutes in this example. $180 is going to be subtracted from that trust account balance of yours, which means you have a balance of $4,471 left in your trust account. So moving forward, oftentimes when a case is taking a lot longer than what we had anticipated from the beginning during the consultation, your trust account balance may fall below $500. So going back, the attorney requested or required a $5,000 retainer. That $5,000 retainer was deposited into your trust account. That was because the attorney was anticipating certain items being needed for your case based on what you disclosed in the consult. Now, oftentimes things arise or things don't go how we thought they would during the time of consult. Sometimes an ex-spouse changes their thoughts. Things can get heated or litigious. So in this example, let's say your trust account balance falls below $500 and additional work is still needed on your case. Let's say your case is going to trial or your case is really close to being settled, but your trust account balance is below $500. What we would require in this case is an additional deposit into your trust account. In this example, your trust account balance is $472, but there's still what we estimate to be $1,500 of work that's needed. So what we would require is an additional deposit into your trust account of $1,500, leaving your balance at $1,972 in your trust account. This $1,972 is our best estimate of what it's going to take to finish your case, to either go to trial or to finish your case based on where it's currently at. So in this example, there's $1,972 left in your trust account. And let's say that this case is going to trial and trial finishes up and everything is done, or your case is complete, the judge signs off, there's no more work for the attorney or any of the paralegals or any staff to work on your case. And let's say there's $1,000 still left in your trust account and your case is complete. We often get asked, well, what happens with that $1,000? Do I get that back? And the answer is absolutely. Whatever money is left in your trust account when your case is complete, you get that money back. And what we do is the accounting department here at the firm will contact you and see how you want those funds delivered to you, if you want it put back on a card or if you want a check issued to you, and we get that money back to you as soon as possible. Once the case is complete and we know there aren't going to be any appeals, or we know that the case is completely done. We hope this has been informative, and if you ever have any questions of how your retainer works, the team here is more than happy to answer any questions, and thanks so much.